In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap FigJam stickies. If you work in FigJam a lot, this is a very simple trick that can save time when you're rearranging ideas on a board. Instead of deleting, recreating, or manually moving everything around, you can quickly swap the positions of sticky notes in just a few clicks. Start by opening your FigJam board. Make sure the sticky notes you want to rearrange are already visible on the canvas so it's easy to work with them. Next, select the stickies you want to swap. To do that, hold down Shift while clicking each sticky you want to include. Once they're selected, you'll notice a small pink dot appearing in the center of each sticky. That dot is important because it shows that the objects are selected and ready to be repositioned using FigJam's swap behavior. After that, click and hold the pink circle on one of the selected stickies. Be careful to click the pink circle itself, not just the edge of the note, since that center handle is what lets FigJam understand that you want to swap positions rather than simply drag items freely across the board. Now drag your cursor over the position of the other sticky you want to switch with. When you reach that spot, release your mouse. FigJam will swap their positions for you. This is especially useful when you've placed ideas in the wrong order, want to reorganize a brainstorming session, or need to tidy up a board without disturbing the rest of your layout. As you do this, move slowly enough to make sure you're dropping the sticky in the exact spot you want. If you're working with several notes close together, zooming in slightly can make it easier to target the right one and avoid accidental movements. And that's it. Once you drop it into the other sticky's position, the swap is complete. This is a quick, clean way to reorganize sticky notes in FigJam while keeping your board neat and easy to read. If you're collaborating with a team or sorting lots of ideas, knowing this small interaction can make the process feel much smoother. Practice it once or twice, and it becomes a very natural part of working in FigJam.